In this video, I'm going to explain what are the top 5 best Forex prop firms for right now. And unlike a lot of other YouTubers reviewing this topic, I'm going to do it in a completely unbiased way. I don't have any affiliate links. And the reason why you should listen to us is because we've literally helped hundreds and hundreds of people pass prop firm challenges and become successful full-time Forex traders using prop firms. So we've used a whole bunch of different prop firms and seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. As you know, Forex prop firms are exploding and there's new and new prop firms popping on the market every single day. However, there's a lot of scams. So the purpose of this video is to save you from these scams, tell you what to look for, and give you my top 5 Forex prop firms for right now. So let's go ahead and let's dive into it, starting with number 5. Number 5 is a prop firm called E8 Funding. They offer a 35K, 50K, 100K, and 250K account size. To pass phase 1 of their challenge, you only have to do 8% profit. In order to pass phase 2, you have to do a 5% profit target. Their max loss overall is 8%, which is a little bit tight, and then 5% max daily loss, which is again pretty standard throughout the prop firm industry. Now, the reason why I actually do like E8 Funding is because they have only 1 minimum trading days. A lot of our members inside of Funded Trader Fast Track or in the prop farming program, they're able to pass prop firm challenges in just a few days. So it's really nice not having to do 5 or 10 minimum trading days in order to move on to the next stage and actually advance your evaluation process. They do offer an 80-20 profit split. You can hold trades over the weekend and trade through the news, and they do pay out bi-weekly, meaning you're going to get paid out multiple times per week, meaning you're going to get paid out multiple times per month. Now, their 100K account fee is about $588. They do allow EAs. Amongst the ones that we're going to talk about, this is the most expensive amongst them, but this is a really great prop firm we've had a lot of success with. Many members have gotten payouts from E8 already. Their website is very clean. And one of the things that they do offer is they do offer live support here, which is really helpful as well. Again, all in all, I'd say the main thing that I really like about this is the low amount of minimum trading days. And by the way, this little comparison sheet that I'm sharing with you right now, at the end of the video, I'll show you how you can get access to this. And this is something that we update as things change and as we find new prop firms that we've actually tested ourselves. The number 4 prop firm is probably the newest of the list. It's called First Class Forex Funds. They've been only around for about 4 to 5 months for the time of making this video, but they do offer a 25K, 50K, 100K, 200K, and 500K account challenges. Their phase 1 target for profits is 8%, and their phase 2 for profit target is 5%. They do allow a 12% max overall drawdown, which is the highest amongst the ones that we're going to talk about, and a 5% max daily loss. So I would say that the challenge requirements are quite easy to pass. Again, all of these that we're talking about have 1 to 100 leverage. They do have a 5 minimum trading days, which is pretty normal in the prop firm industry. You can hold trades over the weekend. You can also hold trades through news. The way that their profit split works is the first profit split you get is 75-25, then you get 80-20, and then you get 85-15, okay? Now, also one of the drawbacks I would say with First Class Forex Funds is that your first profit split is only monthly, and then your second one, then you start to get paid out bi-weekly or 2 times per month. So I would say that's one of the drawbacks of First Class Forex Funds. Now, another advantage is the pricing is pretty cheap. It's only $525 for their 100K challenge. Again, this is their website. Website functions all pretty good. The thing that I do like about their support is it's all inside Discord, so you can chat with other members. You can chat with their support team. You can see payout proof all inside of Discord, which has been actually quite helpful. Number 3 on the list is the big daddy in the industry, FTMO. They've probably been around as long as any of these, actually longer than any of these, and they probably have more funded traders than any other prop firm. They offer a 10K, 25K, 50K, 100K, and 200K, but I would say this is probably the hardest prop firm to pass of the bunch. You have to do 10% profit target in phase 1, 5% profit target in phase 2, and you have a 10% and 5% max loss and max daily loss respectively. Now, one of the things that I do really like about FTMO is that FTMO does have fantastic live chat support, I think pretty much 24/7. They're also probably the most reputable, solid prop firm. So if you're worried about prop firms not paying you out or cheating you or anything like that, then I'd say FTMO is probably the one to go with. However, it is a little bit more difficult in order to pass. You do get an 80-20 profit split, and you do get paid out bi-weekly. Their challenge fee is about $540. So I'd say with FTMO, granted, it's going to be a little bit more expensive, a little bit harder to pass, but you can rest assured knowing that you're working with probably the gold standard in this Forex prop firm industry. Number two, moving on to number two, is a prop firm called True Forex Funds. Now, True Forex Funds, we've probably had more members get passed and get payouts with True Forex Funds than maybe any other prop firm. They offer a 10K, 25K, 50K, 100K, and a 200K account size. Relatively simple to pass, 8% phase one, 5% phase two. Your max loss is 10%. Your max daily loss is 5%. And I really loved True Forex Funds because they used to have a 0 minimum trading days, which was really, really nice. They just recently implemented a 5 minimum trading days before you can move on to the second phase of the challenge. So that's one minor setback, but still kind of industry average across the board. Everything pretty much the same. They are relatively cheap, only 499 euros, which is about $499. Payouts are bi-weekly. True Forex Funds, I really like. Again, their whole process is really smooth from getting started to getting the next phase to actually getting the funded account to getting payouts. Everything really smooth. Their website, very clean. They do offer live support here, which has been really helpful as well. So True Forex Funds, rock solid. I've loved using True Forex Funds. And again, this is one that we've probably had more payouts than anybody. Moving on to number one is currently My Forex Funds. They offer a wide array of different prop firm sizes, 5K, 10K, 20K, 50K, 100K, 200K, 300K, and they're relatively easy. Maybe the easiest prop firm to pass, that and first class Forex funds, I would say. 8% phase one profit target, 5% phase two profit target. Max loss is 12%, max daily loss 5%. Minimum trading days, 5 minimum trading days, as you can see here. And they do offer a 75-25 profit split at first, and then they do offer an 80-20 profit split on your next payout. You do get paid out bi-weekly, and their fees are, cheapest, along with True Forex Funds at only $499. Now, I'd say one thing that separates them from the pack, maybe just a little bit, is that you can actually earn from your phase one and phase two. So you can get 2% of your trading profits by passing phase one and 4% of your trading profits by passing phase two. So you get paid on your journey to become a funded Forex trader. So this is something that I think nobody else is really doing, or not that I'm aware of anybody else is doing. And they also offer a 112% refund, meaning that when you get your first profit split, you don't just get the challenge fee refunded, but you actually get 112% of the balance. So 500 times 112%, whatever that math ends up being, that's what you actually get refunded. Now, like I mentioned, I'm going to show you how you can access this sheet. Again, this is something that we're updating constantly as things change, as we find new Forex prop firms. And if there's any other prop firms that you'd like us to review, please let me know in the comments below. Or if you disagree with me on any of these and think something else should be in here or something should be removed, then please let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your perspective. You can download this sheet and see it up to date constantly by simply clicking the link in the description below. I'll include it for you there. And if this video was helpful, like, subscribe, turn on the post notifications so you don't miss any other helpful videos.